Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Ericsson A2618s. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Ericsson A2618s, and these was released back in the year 2000. In this video I'm going to be showing you the ringtones, the menus, and we'll be having a look how the battery is inserted. But before we start, let's just have a look at the phone itself. There's the front. At the bottom you have the charging port and the hands-free port. On this side we have the volume rocker, the aerial on the top, and the indicator light, which is there, and obviously the back. Right then, so first of all, there's show you where the batteries go. I'll show you for this one how to take him out. It's got a battery in here as well, but I'm not going to show you that. I have got a spare battery besides. All these are working perfectly. Right, so this will show you how you disconnect the battery. Pull this out here. Which is a bit fiddly. It's like a little square contact thing. Pull that out like a plug. Yeah, he's out. You see he's out there, look. Then if you lift the phone up, pull him right back, he will pop out. Here we are. If we clip him back in, then you just plop him back in. Just push down like that. Don't push down pretty hard. Like that. Then you need to push this back in. Be really careful. It's not my fault if you try this mine and damage your phone. I'm not responsible. This is just a video just to show you. It's just to show you how to take the battery in and out and change the battery and whatever. Right then, so now we'll turn him on. We'll turn them both on together. They both locked to the BT cell net. So now they're locked to O2 network. And this one is saying error network because they're both not active SIM cards. It just there, so I can just access the menus. I'll just show you the charge in a minute before we start. Whoop, he's alive. Yeah. There's the end. I want to see if I can get a better picture. Right. Yes. Right then, so I'll look at the menus now then, and the ringtones. Here we are. Yeah, let's have a look at obviously the messages, call logs, settings, we'll check that in a minute. Extras, check that. games. I'll look what games you go on here. Emaze, Tetris, and Ericsson, whatever that is. I'm not going to go into the games on this video though, but we will check the ringtones like I promised. Let's go back. Right, let's have a look on here. My shortcuts. Right, just check settings. Right, ring signal, let's try that. That's the ringtones. Voice call ringtones. If we start from number 1. Hang on, start from number 1 a minute. Just show them again. And there you are. That is the Ericsson A2618s. And like I said, this was released back in the year 2000. I have 2 working ones, like I said. These are working perfect, but they're locked to the O2 network. As you can see, they're both on now. They're all up and running. And they also got a spare battery. And this one works perfectly. So, as usual, as always, thank you very much for watching. And I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much. And bye!